Here's a 2011 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. Projecting strength and durability and built to back it up, this Silverado 2500 HD is definitely one book you can judge by its cover. It's well equipped with the features you need: V8 engine, 4-wheel drive, automatic transmission, trailer brake controller, external memory control, wireless phone connectivity, dual zone climate control, trailer hitch receiver, electronic shift on the fly, rear parking sensors, and AM/FM satellite radio. Of the Silverado 2500 Heavy Duty, Edmunds.com comments: massive towing and hauling capacities, refined and quiet ride, solid build and materials quality, more in-control steering feel than other HD trucks, comfy seats. Chevy, 100 years of icons. Hurry in today for a test drive.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.